Hello. Season's greetings to each and every one of you watching this right now. How is everyone doing? Welcome back to our channel. If you are new, this is Temilayo and Mom's channel. Relax and enjoy all of our videos. Yes, season's greetings to all of you, to your family. I hope everyone is kicking in and doing the best they can for the season. So tonight I made some delicious egusi soup, and I was about to just make eba or to make wheat. Then I thought, this soup will go well with pounded yam, but who has the time to go and start pounding yam? Though this yam pounder, I actually bought it so I can eat pounded yam, but I've explored all of the options by blending meat, blending tomato and all that stuff, but pounded yam I've not. So this time around I say, okay, let me use it for what it was actually bought for. I went ahead and bought some portion of yams. So this is me adding the yam in the yam pounder, just so I can enjoy some pounded yam tonight. Yes, I went ahead, I covered the lid on my yam pounder machine, and then I just went ahead and blend. If you notice, guys, I didn't add water. Yes, I think I've actually tried this before, but I added water and I didn't like the outcome. So this time around I didn't add water. I didn't eat it the last time, but I want to enjoy it this time. So this time around I didn't add water because the yam is well cooked. So I just went ahead and just run it for a few seconds, and this is what it looks like, guys. It actually came out amazing. Though what I noticed is that it came out smooth, but it was soft. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to, because I'm not eating it like immediately, I still need to take my bath, I still need to do other stuff before I settle down for dinner. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to wrap it up in a nylon so that it can thicken up before I eat it. You can see nobody will eat their pounded yam like this except kids, but then when you wrap it up, it's going to feel different. So let's go do that. So guys, here is the soup. Here's the egusi soup I spoke about. So I want to share one secret on this video. If you want to make your Xmas egusi soup, like you want it to be unique, different from what you have been cooking for the family for a year now, see, jeje, go and grind dried uziza seed with your egusi. If you cannot get dry uziza seed, or you didn't remember, just buy the fresh uziza leaf and add it jeje to your bitter leaf or your ugu that you are using. Just add a little and see, your soup will elevate from 0 to 100. Seriously, I'm not even joking. Don't take this for granted. If you want to cook a special egusi soup, you don't even need too much drama. Just add uziza, neither a seed or the leaf. Just add it. If you cannot get the fresh leaf, you can also get the dried leaf. Just put it, sprinkle it on it, allow it to simmer. Man, you are not going to like understand what is going on, but when you remember, come back here and thank me. Like, come to my comment section and say thank you for that tip that you gave me. I know some of you already know this, but for those of you that doesn't already, I hope you try this and you thank me later. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so very much for watching my video. See the obstacle in this soup. How can I even use a bat to eat this kind of soup? I just told myself, you don't deserve such. You deserve to eat like the king daughter that you are, which is me making the pounded yam. Imagine now, see obstacles. Man, this thing, it hit different. So this is me showing you how hard it became. Just like 5 to 10 minutes later, we really enjoyed this. Like, no more sweating before you eat pounded yam. Okay,
I no go stop, I no go settle. My light is never gonna die. Don't I go fire any devil. My life is forever gonna shine. Before them, no know me for my area. Now I'm here.